So you just picked up a Jeep Wrangler JL, or maybe you've had one for a while, and now it's time to level it up. Literally. Whether you want to slap on some big 35-inch tires, gain a little extra ground clearance for trails, or just get that mean off-road stance, a lift kit is the way to go. But with so many options out there, it can get real confusing real quick. No worries, I've done the digging and lined up the 7 best lift kits for the Jeep JL. And hey, all the product links are in the description below, so check them out when you're ready. Kicking things off with number 7, the KSP 2.5-inch lift kit. If you're just getting started in the lift game, this is a solid, budget-friendly choice. It's compatible with both 2-wheel and 4-wheel drive Jeep Wranglers from 2018 to 2024. The build quality? Steel. Not the cheap kind. High-strength stuff that passed compression and impact tests. It even includes strong 10.9 grade lug bolts for better connection. It clears 35-inch tires, although with some articulation, you might get a little rub. Just keep an eye on those sway bar links and control arms. Bonus, KSP offers lifetime support, and yeah, they actually respond. That's rare. At number 6, we've got the SUPERLIFT 4-inch dual-rate coil lift kit. Now we're talking serious off-road capability. This bad boy is made in the USA and built by folks who actually wheel. The dual-rate coil springs are location-specific, meaning they're tuned for each corner of your rig, not just a one-size-fits-all. On-road, smooth like butter. Off-road, flexes hard. It's got clearance for up to 37-inch tires. And with better stance and durability, it's more than just lift, it's performance. If you're running a 4-door Wrangler Unlimited, this kit's got your name on it. Sliding into number 5 is the Wulf 3-inch front and 2-inch rear leveling lift kit. This one's all about balance and performance. It includes Fox 2.0, performance shocks, yeah, the good stuff, plus dual rate springs up front and back. Everything you need's in the box. Sway bar brackets, bump stop extensions, brake line extensions, the whole shebang. It clears 35-inch tires on 4x4 models, though Rubicon owners should note you'll need longer sway bar links. Ride comfort, better than stock. And those Fox shocks soak up washboard trails like a champ. For moderate lift with premium parts, this one delivers. At number 4 is the Skyjacker 3.5-inch lift kit. It may fly a little under the radar, but don't sleep on it. This kit is powder-coated to resist corrosion, comes with all the hardware you need, and performs great both on pavement and off. It's tuned to maintain a smooth, comfortable ride while giving you the clearance and performance boost you're after. It works with both 2-wheel and 4-wheel drive setups, and install is straightforward. If you're looking for a lift that doesn't mess with your daily driving comfort, this is a strong contender. Coming in hot at number 3 is the Mopar 2-inch lift kit. This one's straight from the source, OEM stuff from Jeep. Designed specifically for 4-door JL models with the 3.6-liter engine, it includes Bilstein 46mm monotube shocks with remote reservoirs. That's premium hardware that gives you fade-free performance and improved heat dissipation. It keeps the factory ride but boosts clearance and articulation. No drive shaft swaps, no crazy mods. It's compatible with stability control and bolts, right up to stock mounting points. This is perfect for anyone who wants factory-grade quality with trail-ready gains. Number 2 on the list is the Rough Country 2.5-inch leveling kit. This one is super popular, and for good reason. It's a quick and easy bolt-on lift that gives you the clearance you need for 35-inch tires without changing your factory ride quality. It uses coil spacers, shock extensions, sway bar links, and bump stops, all designed to work with your existing suspension. You're not ripping out shocks or coils, just giving them a lift. Fitment is broad. Works on gas and diesel models, but not Mojave or 392. And of course, it comes with Rough Country's lifetime warranty. Solid value all around. And finally, number 1, the Rough Country 2.5-inch suspension lift kit with N3 shocks. This isn't just a spacer kit, this is the full upgrade. Front and rear coil springs with linear rates mean you get consistent handling and better weight support. The N3 nitrogen-charged shocks offer 10-stage variable valving and beefy 54mm shock bodies. Translation: this thing rides smooth, handles great, and is built to last. It's bolt-on, clears up to 35-inch tires, and comes with all the confidence of a lifetime warranty. Perfect for daily drivers who want off-road capability without sacrificing comfort. So there you have it, the top 7 lift kits for the Jeep Wrangler JL. Whether you're hitting rocky trails, deep snow, or just want your Jeep to look downright mean on the street, there's something here for every budget and build. All the links to these kits are down in the video description. Go check them out. And hey, if this helped you out, throw us a like, drop a comment, and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss the next review. Catch you on the next ride.